Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Razer Iskur V2 gaming chair. This chair has been making waves for its innovative design and exceptional lumbar support system. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting off with the design, the Razer Iskur V2 looks sleek and modern. It's available in a few variations, including PU leather and fabric options. The overall build quality is top-notch, with sturdy materials and a well-constructed frame that feels robust and durable. Now, onto comfort. This chair features a firm seat cushion that contours well over time, providing good support during long gaming sessions or work hours. The standout feature here is the 6D lumbar support system. Unlike traditional chairs, the lumbar pad swivels in multiple directions, adapting to your back whether you're sitting upright or reclining. It's a game-changer for anyone who prioritizes back support. The armrests are also highly adjustable, offering 4D adjustments that cater to different arm positions. They're slightly firmer than some might prefer, but they get the job done comfortably. Assembling the Razer Iskur V2 is a breeze. It comes with clear instructions and the necessary tools, making it straightforward even for those new to chair assembly. The parts fit together well, and I particularly like the bracket feature that secures the seat pan during assembly. No product is without its flaws. One notable downside is the headrest pillow, which feels flat and awkwardly shaped. It attaches with a strap rather than a magnetic connection, which seems like a missed opportunity for a chair in this price range. In conclusion, the Razer Iskur V2 is a standout gaming chair, especially for those who prioritize excellent lumbar support. Its design is sleek, its build quality is impressive, and the comfort level, once adjusted to your liking, is superb. Despite a few minor drawbacks like the headrest pillow, it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a premium gaming chair that takes care of your back. That wraps up our review of the Razer Iskur V2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews and tech insights. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.